2022. I'm at the Fogolar Furlan, the Women's Summer in the City car show. My 1955 Chevy won Best in Show, and it's, like I said, 55 Chevy Bel Air two-door sedan, and it's equipped with a 350 engine. It's got a Muncie 21 4-speed. It's a lot of fun to drive, and I'm a happy man today. Okay, so remember to subscribe to Travel Joyride, and you'll get the best videos on YouTube.
Hello guys, I'm at Fogolar Club today. Just won nice little trophy here, the best paint, custom paint and show. That's my 2015 Mustang GT, customized. It's all my design. Nothing special under the hood, just the normal 5.0 with a custom tune on it. Hey guys, Norm again. I'm at the Fogolar Club still, and make sure to subscribe Travel Joyride. It's a very nice organization, very nice. You guys will enjoy everything. Thank you.